Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of slow or non-moving item report. So first of all need to install the module. So click on apps and install it. It is already installed in our system. This is the slow or non-moving item reports and this is the index file of that module. First of all, I am telling you what is the functionality and what is the use of this module. These modules allows you to print the slow selling items and non-selling items between the specific date. It is provided to show available quantity and last selling date between a period. So now let's check the functionality of this module. Go to the inventory and here you can see the slow moving item menu. Click on slow moving items, then open the wizard for that report. Here you can select the start date and end date. Here you can select slow moving items and less sales quantity. So here you can add 4, then the report is displayed for sales product sales for less than 4 quantity. And if you can select a non-moving item, then low product sale is displayed in the report. So first of all, no non-moving item print from print to PDF report. Here you can show this is the all the product is not any sale. Now print slow moving items. Here you can add 3, then the less than 3 sales quantity products is displayed in the report. Here you can download the XLS report also. So click on export and here you can see the message slow non-moving item reports between 1st April to 28th September. So click on slow non-moving items report and here you can open the report. This product is sales less than 3 quantity. So this is the all about the slow or non-moving item reports. You can notify about our new videos, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.